Welcome in the kitchen with Leila. Now, I just turned 92 years old, so we're going to celebrate with a brioche French toast. And the peaches are in season that we got from Jackson's orchard, so we're just going to fix it together. And I'm going to show you how I do it. Now, this is what we're going to do. I have 4 eggs here that we're going to whip up. See, like I'm doing here. And I've got half a cup of milk here. Now then. And after we whip that up, we're going to soak this brioche in there. Now I put a pinch of cinnamon and a pinch of nutmeg in the egg and milk mixture, and I've also put 1 Splenda in there. You might want to use sugar if you like to. And now we're going to start dipping our brioche in this mixture. Now then, see there how it absorbs so fast? Now then, put it in this plate over here, and then we dip another one. There we go. Oh man, they're gonna be good, I tell you. They're gonna be so good. Skillet, I can put 2 of them in there at the same time, and they are, see, already cooking nicely. And when they brown on one side, you turn them over, brown on the other side. It just takes a few minutes to do that, because you can't cook them real fast, because if you do, they're going to burn. And you definitely don't want to burn, because you want them to look nice as well. Okay, now we turn them over. Okay, now we're going to pick them up and see if this one is ready. Put another one in there. I know most of you know how to fix a French toast, so you won't have a problem trying this. We got all our peaches sliced here, so you just put as many as you like next to your toast, because that's what's going to make it good, because we need to eat lots of fruit this time of year. Now, you can sprinkle this with powdered sugar or the cinnamon sugar. Each one of them will work well. Now here you are. That's a finished product. There you are. Thank you for joining me in the kitchen with Leila. Now, this is the finished product, and I do hope that you will join me again. And I know you're going to like this. And we're going to have some more other things on our channel again.